Well, it's in the air, going down towards square leg, and oh, what a catch! What a catch! He really has had a pretty ordinary time in the field. I think he slightly misread that one, and Matthew is absolutely taken a blinder. Just watch this again. Unbelievable catch, one-handed fingertip stuff it was. Matthew Elliott coming in there and taking a blinder. Watch this.
When the pressure's on, the Australian fielders always seem to respond these days. And just look at this piece of work. He loses his footing, and he's completely off balance, Matthew Elliott. And that's an absolute stunner. It really is. And Parore goes again after a great catch from an Australian fieldsman. Last time it was short leg, this time it's the man down in the deep. Look at the way he loses balance. He's gone for all money, out goes the left hand, and she sticks. Parore goes to 41, 8.